Here is BlueSky. There is a new feature which is called moderation. So this is moderation mostly for yourself. How do you moderate content you see on BlueSky app? So here you can see content filtering, where you can just filter out which content you want to see. Some things you can only enable as you see in the on the web app in staging.bluesky.app, but here you see all the different types of content which you don't want to see in your feed. You just filter it out, which is quite smart. Then mute lists. You can subscribe to mute list to automatically mute all of the users they include. Mute lists are public, but your subscription to a mute list is private. So then you just create a new mute list, and then you can use that. Muted accounts, so you can just mute accounts by yourself, and blocked accounts. Blocked accounts cannot reply in your threads, mention you, otherwise interact with you. You will not see their content, and they will be prevented from seeing yours. Muted accounts have their posts removed from your feed and from your notifications. Mutes are completely private. So there is obviously a difference between blocked accounts and muted accounts, but this is coming back from Twitter and this kind of social media.